Yeah, they're giving out endless free leads 11 for free to all affiliates. So if you'd like to promote this offer and being here, earn unlimited $20 payments just by becoming a gold member, guys. But you just try this out for 100% free. If you visit the second link for the Power Lead System via less.com, I'm gonna give you an awesome share code that you can also recruit more people using the Power Lead System. But as you go here, you can capture leads, get started. We're gonna show you how to add your domain names, become an affiliate, earn commissions, and the training is awesome, guys. You can get endless free leads for free. Okay, I gotta just become affiliate. Okay, be affiliate. Also, if you want to become a silver and a gold member, you can also do that. Also, all you do is register here, then log in. Okay, this value is at $2.99 for no charge. Okay, there's no charge for this. Value at $2.99. A lot of members came in here and used this to generate a limit of leads, and like you see, I get these messages every single time I create a new lead, and you can see just 10:09, and that's 3 minutes ago. Okay, 3 minutes ago I generated another new lead, came with my domain name, transfer over from GoDaddy, and created a subdomain name. Popular subdomain name, as you can see, PayPal, Money Adder, 2016, no survey. So it's getting lots of free traffic because it's already higher ranking on the first page of Google and other search engines like Bing, Yahoo, and others. Okay, so you want to use this platform, very powerful. So what I'm gonna do is give you the whole awesome packages. If you come in here and visit my links, they below, and I show you the bonuses that this game come for free. Okay, all you gotta do is become affiliate. You don't have to become a member, just become an affiliate, but you be living a lot of tools on the table because become a member, use all these tools. Like I said, capture leads. We're going to show you how to use these tools in our website. You must visit the website, enter your email. I'm going to show you how to use this. And you can see capture leads. You created your capture pages. Create new capture pages or embed opt-in form that can hover over your website. Okay, you use your emails. Okay, you get on emails you can send out campaigns to your subscribers. Okay, subscribers, voice, video, postcards, e-cards. Okay, and then you can set up your website, your personal websites, sales funnels. You can share with your team to build. And like I said, they already have Aweber settings in here. And coming soon, there's going to be more. We're going to also show you how to promote your business online, offline. Okay, and plus the total access to the training are free, endless free leads, 11. And they have bonuses of Master Traffic Academy, Power VIP Club. If you want to get free ad secrets and earn those $100 time commissions, it's very awesome, guys. And $400 one-time commissions. A Social Profit Academy teach you all about social networking to build any business. And this business also by sharing this perfect tool for any online marketer to want to get more customers for anything that they sell online. So I'm gonna click on context. Is like you can see with this thing, I was able to start from scratch and zero by becoming a 7-day free trial member, and you can see already I'm at 1,270 leads that came in here and opted in to one and a couple of my capture pages. Okay. So right now I'm gonna just show you a couple proof in my Gmail account and see that all these leads is coming through Power Lead System. Okay, I'm logged into my Gmail account. As you can see, I search from the support team with Power Lead Systems from leadsystemadmin.com. But check it out. Look at the leads came in at 46 here. And as you know, Gmail, they keep collecting leads and they're going to move to the next section, the next page once you reach 100 leads. Okay, so you see coming here, it's already 10:09. That lead came in and it's 46 emails of capturing prospects entered on these capture pages that I built using Power Lead System. And here you can see August 12, 100, and then August 10, another 100, August 8, another 100, okay, August 6, another 100, and it keeps going on. August 3rd, 100, okay, it keeps going on. 29 of July, August, 100, 100. Here was 13, 8, and starting off more sections, all right, and still being affiliate and be paid for. And you see, I'm affiliate, and you see, paying just only $23.97. Become affiliate, and you get free access to free leads. And I'm building tons. Okay, you can see 4 leads there, 6 leads, 4s, and how you see has it eventually slow down and of beginnings of building the list and keep building the list, but over a couple of days, it's 94 and 100 and 100, okay, and then 100, okay, 2, 4, 9. So the leads builds and builds and builds, and like I said, you can have success using Power Lead system. And like I said, more you advertise, you can start generate these hundreds and hundreds and more hundreds of leads into your autoresponder. Okay, so back on Power Lead system, and you can see total of 1,270 leads I built in the Power Lead system. So you want to check out the training. Got awesome training to show you how to build your list and your contact list, and you can advertise to anything that you want. Just select the email that you created of your campaign. Just click the email and send campaigns. You can add campaigns, edit your campaigns, delete campaigns, Gmail direct, email forwarding status, and set spam policy. Okay, so all you gotta do is send your campaigns, and you can blast your emails to your whole entire and contact list, which that's gonna be 100% free traffic now forever in your list that you generate with Power Lead system. Okay, there's very simple steps here. 1, 2, 3. You select your campaign. You include yourself in the mailing if you want to, so you can get the same email. Just come down here and select the funnel or broadcast. We got broadcast up here, and like I said, they have a free lead system that you can also check out if you want the free lead system. Broadcast a hangout and everything, and your primary business, holidays. Okay, they give you all this all set up already. Okay, and then you just come down here and you can select all in your contact list, but mostly I come down here, and whoever entered the email or name and email into your capture pages that took a survey, and you can see a total of 1,267 people that came to my capture pages and entered the email. So you know my capture pages is converting very well and getting tons of hot prospects that want to know more information. And just click on there, step 4. You can skip that step, and you know skip step 5, and then choose the date to send the campaign. Very, very easy, and it'll get sent out to everybody. So right away, I'm just loving the system. So what I'm gonna do is broadcast another hangout to one of the past hangout for Power Lead system, because it's the weekend right now, so some people can see the hangout on the weekend. So just hit choose date to send. Okay, and then you select your domain name that you want to use for this hangout. I created subdomain names for this, so all I look for that subdomain that I created, and it's right here. It says hangout. Okay, I created a hangout. Y'all can visit out the hangout also. Hangout.powerleadsystem pls.com, and do like also you can change the change the time, 2 hours after current time, 4 hours, 6 hours, 10 hours, okay, and so on